Hi guys, welcome to the third lecture of Module 11 of Revit Architecture. In this lecture, we'll be talking about how to set a work plane. To set a work plane, you need to go on Architecture tab. You can, you can see the work plane option here. So to set a work plane, you need to go on Set, and then you have the options here. Name, pick a plane and pick a line. So here we'll be seeing all this option. We'll see level 1 option here, and then you can see a blue line has been selected, so that will be our work plane for now. And then just click on OK, and then if you click on show, it will show this work plane, and then click on the viewer. Here you can see this work plane. So I need to click on the bottom view here, because this plane is level 1, so you need to see from the bottom to see anything. If we had some foundation, then we could have seen something from the top view, but now you can see this work plane here. That's the work plane, how to set a work plane. And then I'll do I'll undo this option, and then I'll set another work plane. I'll pick a plane this time. Click on OK. I'll select this wall to be my work plane now. I click on, first I'll show this. Now you can see this blue line, so this is my work plane for now. Now I click on view. So you can see this work plane now, the wall on the left view. Here you can see all the dotted lines here. So this is how you set a work plane and view the work plane.